One of the advantages of having kids that a lot of people don't think about is if you find yourself in need of a rubber ducky to play some real-life duck chess, you can find them lying around the house. You might even be able to find multiple lying around the house. Or rubber ducks with snorkeling gear, or gigantic rubber ducks, or whatever this is, cat or squirrel. Let me know what you think it is. Foxes. Pigs. Panda bears. And even a Christmas reindeer. So having said that, I think I've decided to just stick with the regular duck. Fits pretty nicely on the squares behind me, and it seemed like a lot of people voted to for our next game to be duck chess. There was also progressive chess, which had a lot of votes. So what we're going to do is play a game of duck chess first. We'll hop on the bandwagon while it's pretty popular, and then when we finish this game of duck chess, we'll come back and do the progressive chess. So for those of you who don't know how to play duck chess, or if you need a reminder, essentially every move you make a regular move, and then you also have to move the duck onto an empty square on the board, and the duck cannot be captured, and it just kind of acts as like a blockade. Obviously, you can't jump over it like normal. Bishops can't go through it, queens can't jump over it, that kind of thing. Knights, of course, can still jump over it. So it's your turn, you make a move, then you move the duck somewhere, and you have to move the duck to an empty square. And so I don't believe there's any engines that play duck chess, at least not to my knowledge. So this should be interesting. As usual, check out the community tab. I'll be posting the pictures, and yeah, look for the first move coming soon. I'll be playing white just to get us started, and then we'll go from there. If you have questions, comments, concerns, let me know, and I will see you guys very soon in our first game of duck chess. Good luck, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.